Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the doubling colors feature or kind of hack we can do when it comes to printing. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, when it comes to the actual tutorial, so now when would you want to use this method? Because it's not for everyone, and you definitely don't want to do this just because for any reason. This you'll be doing in case your printer is struggling to print a certain color. So for example, most printers these days have dual heads. So what happens is sometimes one of those heads can get clogged. So for each color, it will be printing with two different printing heads. So I have two yellow, two magenta, two cyan, two black, and then I think two black. I'm not sure about that, but normally there's two. And then what happens, sometimes one can get clogged or maybe damaged. So what ends up happening is that only printing half of the yellow. So when you do your test print and your yellows are very washed out, or maybe one of the other colors are very washed out, then we'll be using this method to try it. Sometimes also in the test print, they will have colors on the one side and colors on the other side, and you might see that the one side, one of the colors is missing. Then it's also a good indication that one of your heads are damaged or blocked, or maybe, it's normally the case. So then what we're going to do in this mini series, we're going to be looking at how can we kind of fake it or try over enhance things in order to have your final result more accurate. But yeah, that we'll be leaving for another video. So in the meanwhile though, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.